In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write 1/2 in Canva as fraction. If you've ever tried to show 1/2 the proper way in Canva and ended up with 1/2 on a single line, this walkthrough will help you create a clean, professional-looking fraction using Canva's built-in tools. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a precise numerator over denominator styled just the way you want it. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're inside the editor with your design on the canvas. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the Apps panel. This is where Canva keeps helpful add-ons that expand what you can create. Click Apps, then use the search bar to type Equations. When you see the Equations option in the results, click it to open the tool. This app is designed to help you build math expressions and symbols, which is perfect for making a true fraction. Once the Equations panel opens, switch to the Advanced tab. This tab gives you more structured math layouts so you don't have to manually position text or worry about alignment. Inside Advanced, find the Exponent category. Even though the name sounds like it's only for powers, it actually includes several formatting templates used in mathematical notation, including a fraction layout. Choose the fraction equation template from this category. It will load a formatted structure with two editable fields, one for the numerator on top and one for the denominator below. Click into the top field and type. This sets the numerator as 1. Then click into the bottom field and type 2 to set the denominator as 2. You'll see the fraction update right away, stacked vertically with a horizontal bar, exactly how a proper fraction should look. Take a quick moment to confirm the characters are correct and neatly centered in their boxes. Keeping the inputs to plain numbers avoids spacing issues and ensures the fraction renders cleanly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Insert Equation. Canva will place the finished fraction onto your canvas as a single, well-formatted element that maintains its alignment. That's all you need to create a clean 1/2 in Canva without awkward text boxes or manual line breaks. Using the Equations app with the Advanced tab and the fraction template gives you a precise result every time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding polished fractions to your designs.